Men for Missions was started because an evangelist, Dwight Ferguson, went to the mission field. Interestingly enough, he was challenged to go by the president of OMS. Dwight couldn't get away from that. He went and he saw the multitudes of Asia. And on the way home, he asked God, how are we going to reach the multitudes of Asia? And God spoke to him one word and he said, layman. So Dwight, as he looked at the mission field, he saw the ladies doing things they weren't really called to do, they weren't physically able to do, and he began to approach different denominations, his own church, about starting a men's missionary movement. Only OMS really gave him an audience. And so it was at OMS that Men for Missions started. It was started with men of real stature, men that served faithfully in China and other places that were interned in prison camps, as well as laymen from all walks of life. And so it started out that burden out of his heart. How are we going to get the gospel message out? And it's going to be through laymen. And we need multitudes of laymen to go out. And so that's basically how it was started. It was started actually at OMS with 15 men. And since then we've taken over 20,000 people to the mission field. And so that's why Men for Missions.
Men for Missions is involved in helping our missionaries on OMS missionaries, one mission missionaries on the mission field to do what God's called them to do. We do basically 4 types of teams, ministry teams to the mission field. We do work teams, we do evangelism teams, prayer teams, and medical teams. With that, we help open doors. We want to come alongside our missionary and help open doors, OMS missionaries, to help reach the country, the people, the place that they're ministering to. If we help build a seminary in Haiti, as we just got done doing, you know, that frees them up to train nationals, to train pastors, to then reach their own people. Maybe there's people that have different skills like medical that can use that to help open doors for our churches and ministries in those countries. Prayer teams are vital. Prayer teams are the best thing you can do. The hardest work you'll do, but a prayer team coming alongside our nationals, sitting down with pastors, national pastors, and hearing their needs, hearing their heart, and then prayer walking their communities and praying for their church. And you know, that's an awesome privilege, an awesome task to be a part of.
The influence that Men for Missions has on lives can be very great and has been life-changing. It is a life-changing journey. When we challenge men, will you do whatever God asks you to do? Will you go wherever God asks you to go? And will you give whatever God asks you to give? That makes a man take inventory. And some of our men have dropped out of different organizations, have given up different habits, and they've become different husbands, stronger leaders in their family, and best of all, it's what God does in their own heart. And that's what we're about, changing hearts.
The influence that happens in a person's heart when they go on a short-term mission trip is awesome. It is, first of all, what happens in your own heart. You get the opportunity to go to the mission field. You land in that country, you first experience the sounds, the smells, it's a different culture, and you think, many times we think we're coming down to help them. But what we find out is what God starts to do a work in our own heart. He starts to give us a love for people that we never knew. He starts to give us a heart to see people come to know Christ, a passion for prayer as we're spending time with the people that we're ministering to in whichever country that is. And then the other part is then what we get to do for them. And you know, as we use the talents that God has given us to help them, maybe it's a testimony that God's put in our heart or what our life experience is, to help see their lives changed, to see them come to Christ or see our friends come to know Christ or draw closer to Him. That's the awesome thing that Men for Missions gives people the opportunity to do.
It's endless, the number of ways that we help fulfill the mission of OMS.
Men for Missions comes alongside our missionaries to help do many things, and we want to be a partner with our missionaries. We want to be a support to our missionaries so they can do what God's called them to do.